Hi guys, so I have another swap reveal and this is from Tammy. And Tammy has included some items for her swap partner. I think this goes with this over here. And then she made some items for me. So I'll open this first just in case it has, I learned my lesson. I always open this just in case it has like die cuts and stuff in it. Oh, look how cute this card is. Oh my gosh, the envelope matches too. That's so cute. So it says, "Hi Lisa, thank you for hosting this fun swap. The suitcase was, let's see, doomy, but so fun." I'm thinking that's a bad thing. "The brown box is for you as a hostess gift. Please forgive the lack of homemade card. My entire family has been down with a virus and I ran out of time. Best wishes, Tammy." Oh my gosh, you never have to apologize. This card is adorable, first of all. So I almost never make a homemade card when I'm sending in a swap because I'm always running out of time too. Oh good, see? Okay, so there's stuff in here. So it might be the similar stuff. And then she also included these stickers, which are so cute and I don't have. And then also these here, and these are adorable. Okay, so let me open up some of these items that she crafted, and maybe they'll be the same things that'll be in this box. So let me go down a little bit so that you can see everything. Okay, so first we have this beautiful Memdex, and I love this packaging. Okay, so she does have her address on here, but it says that her name is Tammy. Her Instagram is TXT Nicholson. Her birthday is September 2nd. Also just passed. Happy belated birthday. Her favorite colors are pink and purple. Her favorite crafts are bows, flowers, butterflies, and rosettes. And she lives in Texas. As you can tell by her her Instagram name. I'm like, how do I open this? Okay, so she made the cutest memory decks, you guys. Look how cute this is. She layered it up everywhere. She has these beautiful flowers and all of these stickers. And oh, I love. And then look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. Is this a puffy sticker? It came in this. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I never noticed it because like it's out of the packaging and it is so nice. Oh my word. And then she has this bag topper on here, and then she has this adorable little shaker. So cute. I love it. And then look here. Oh my gosh, she has this really pretty rosette, and she used these stickers in her swap. I love that. So she kind of gave us some ideas on how to use them. And this is such a fun paper. It's like a travel themed paper here, and then she has this adventure awaits, and she has some puffy stickers, which you guys know I love puffy stickers. And then this is what she used to keep it on. I love these bags too. They're so clear. I love them. I don't have to save those. And then we have a motel keychain with this beautiful shaker mix and this really fun little key. So cute. And then we also have this ticket, which is so cute. So on the inside of here, let me open this up. She put a passport. It looks like it's on the inside of the shaker. It is. Oh my gosh, how cute. So instead of like doing a traditional shaker thing, she actually put this passport inside of the shaker. Isn't that such a fun idea? I love that. That's such a cute idea. And then we have some bows here. Look at these bows. And she has these pretty centers from Hobby Lobby in here. And then this fun travel paper that she used to create the bows. And we have an umbrella. You have to pack an umbrella when you're going on a trip to certain places. And look how she put these little blingy enamel dots on here. So cute, Tammy. Oh, and she gave me some bags. Oh no, they have stuff in them. I'm like, oh my gosh, so cute. I love how you package these individually. So she has this pair of glasses, this little KS Craft die that is so cute, and this hat, which she actually like put bling all the way around. So cute. It's so much attention to detail. Ooh, she has some jerky in here as a snack. I actually carry around this kind of stuff with me all the time because I'm always like, you know, I instead of eating like something that I'm going to be hungry again in like 3 seconds, I like to have jerky like when I go on my errands and when I run on all my shopping hauls because it's just good and it powers you. Some hand sanitizer wipes are essential. I love these. Some Shout Wipe and Go. Okay, this is the first time we've seen this in the swap, and I love this idea. Oh my gosh. And look, a little Cocoa Paradise Bath and Body Works pocket thing. And I just actually bought this little thing, and these fit in here perfectly. I have one in here already, actually, that I think someone gave me either in my challenge or my swap, but then I bought this little guy the other day, so that fits perfectly in here. Thank you so much, Tammy. And I'm gonna open up her swap just in case there's anything that's different. So let me pack this up and I'll be right back. Okay, and for her swap partner, she has this really cute, this is actually a like a drink container from Hobby Lobby. So cute. It's a little camera. She has a card. And then she also included the same stickers, or similar stickers, but more. So she has this vacation stickers from Michael. So stinking cute. These that she gave to me. And then this one is also another Hobby Lobby Stickabilities. And this one is super long. You see? So cute. And then this one, the same one that she gave to me. So some fun goodies for her partner. But look at her suitcase, you guys. Look how cute this is. Tammy, you did a great job creating the suitcase. I love how you put flowers here. And look at the side. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then she put a handle too. And then she did it with Velcro. So cute, cute, cute. Okay, and it looks like the same things, but let me just make sure. I think, so we have the bag, we have her ticket, and on here in the inside of this one, she put a sticker instead. I love that idea. And then she has another memory dex, adorable. Look at this hat. This hat is a little bit different, so cute. And then, oh, she made a suitcase. So I can't open this, but it looks like she made the suitcase into a mini album. Oh wait, maybe I can open it. Yeah, I can. Oh good, okay, good. I'll put it back. Let me show you this. Look how cute this is. She made it into a mini album. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I love the paper that you used. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This is such a great idea just to put some pictures. I'm totally gonna make one of these for my trip. I'm so glad that I opened this because this is such a great idea. I love this. And I don't know where this, I don't know if this is a KS Craft mini album die. Tammy, will you let us know? Let me turn this in this direction so that the pretty side is forward. Yeah, will you let us know where you got this this mini album from? Because I am serious. I need to like make one of these. Now the funny thing is I might already have this die because I am die obsessed. Okay, wait. Can I do this? Can I do this, guys? It's the nails. The nails hate me. Okay, there we go. Good. All right. So then we also have these cutesy bows, but on the top of this bow, she put this little paper clip, which is just, I mean, it's like a clothespin that she decorated with a camera on top. Come on. There we go. So do you see this? Look how cute that is. And then we have our glasses, our motel key. These are the same. Oh, but look, we also have this beautiful beaded pen with these gorgeous beads. Oh my word. They are so pretty. And then these are the same, but this one is warm vanilla sugar. So this was such a cutesy swap. Look at this paper. Look at the inside on here. She has these like geolocators and like the prettiest colors. And then she has this travel embellishment that she put on here. Oh my gosh, so cute, Tammy. I love it. 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 Your swap partner is going to love this. And I am going to make sure that I package this all up. She packaged it so well. And I'm going to make sure that I package this right up and send this along. So you guys make sure you follow Tammy on Instagram. I'm going to put her info in the description bar. And make sure if you want to watch the rest of these, you click the link because I'm going to put the challenge playlist in the description bar as well. So I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. See you later. Bye.